was built to last with the webs of the weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war!
I did my thing on this. It's running kind of perfect. The handling is good, it's stable. The shocks is perfect on here, but the Revo shock system, how they made it's pretty good anyway. Thing about this car, only cost me $75, not even a little bit more. At RC Discount Superstore, I'll leave the link in the description below. But this was nitro, if you don't know. This was a 3.3 Revo, and I converted to electric. this thing, man, I did my thing on here. I got the BLX system in there. I got the BLX 3S system in it. I think it's about 80 amps. And I got a 3600 kV motor Spektrum. Running the 14 2K and the stock spur gear on the Revo. I just had to lock up the disc. Thing is, this car is a beast. I made it a beast. I'm proud of my work. See if this thing is hot. Make sure it ain't hot. Yeah, she hot. I don't have a fan on the motor. Got a fan on the ESC, but not the motor. I'm gonna let her cool off, then I'll get back into the bash. Oh shoot, I think I could pull off a side wheelie with this one. Okay. So that suspension is plush on this car. I don't know if it can take the abuse. I'm not gonna give too much abuse. Yeah, this needs a wheelie bar. Shoot. This is only 3S. This car will flip over, but you can, the thing about this, you can catch it. This car got excellent handling and stability. Because I'm about to flip over and you can prevent it while it's in action. Like you can literally prevent yourself from flipping. See what I'm saying? Look at that suspension. That suspension a little too low though. It's not gonna be good on jumps. Yeah, I did my thing though. I'm proud of myself. You gotta realize this car right here cost me $75. With my extra spare parts, I made it like this. Ooh. Yo. This thing is a monster, man. If I'd have put it on 4S, this shit would have been fast as shit. It would have been all over the place, yo. I think 3S is as good as it can get though, because on 4S, I don't think it would be manageable. This thing ran really good. It actually ran way better than I expected it to. And it handled way better than I expected. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification because I have a lot more coming. If I can run across some more nitro cars and convert them to electric, I like post every single step, like the build and everything. But this is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.